Hello guys, today we will talk about procedural textures in Blender. Procedural textures mean to create a texture using mathematical formula or mathematical values. It has many advantages. It uses less data. You can create infinitely small scale using it, and any desired result, any texture you want, you can create by procedural textures. So for example, these are procedural texture using these mathematical values. You can see here these number. These are the mathematical values, and also there are many options here you can go through to want your desired result. So for example, if we put this color value into this value, you can see there a texture is generated here. Similarly, you can create any other texture using it like this, and also you can scale this texture infinitely by without losing any resolution. So it has many advantages. Procedural textures are used to generate any texture you want to create using mathematical values. These mathematical values you can see here, these numbers, and you can get any result and sometimes many cool result. For example, you can see here many nodes, same color. This output is yellow and this input is yellow, so you have to connect these two. But what if we connect these opposite colors, output and input node, into it? So you can get here a very cool result, like I show you here. Put this color into displacement, and now you have to just put a shader, glossy shader, into the surface. So you can see here this cool texture you can create, and also you can customize it. It is highly customizable. Do whatever you want. You can create many new things and many cool stuffs using it. So you can see here by changing the values or changing the scale or detail, these values are very changeable. So let's just start from the beginning. So let's first go to the render engine and select the cycles render, select the GPU for better result, and delete the default cube, create a plane or a mesh, scale it, create another plane for the background, and just shift A and create another thing, icosphere, icosphere, and this menu here, click here and increase the subdivision value to make it smooth. Just go to the 5 and it is enough. So let's just assign some of values. This will be our length, and change its type here to emission type, and just go to the render option, and the background color here you should choose blacks to see clearly. Now we just increase the scale of the lamp for smooth lighting. Now we will create procedural texture from the beginning. So to split the window into half, go to the view option, go to the area and vertical split. Now just click anywhere and it will be split. Now select here the shader editor tab, and there is no nodes here right now because you don't have to select, you don't select any. So just click here to select a new node. Now you can create here any texture from the start. Just press X and From the shader you just select a glossy shader, and now to create a smooth surface just press W and select smooth shade. Now we will see here these textures except image texture and brick and environment texture and IES. These 3 or 4 texture, except these all other are procedurally generated textures. So we will first choose the Voronoi texture. So if we put color into the color, you can see here this first our texture is generated and it is very cool texture. But what if we put the color into the displacement, and now we put the another displacement node into this to control the value, and just plug it out, and you can also plug it. Now you can create a very cool thing by going to the texture menu and using a Musgrave texture. Just put this vector option here is used to describe how this texture is mapped onto the object. So just put the vector into the vector menu, and yeah, now you can see here these cool stuffs. And you can also change its value by using the scale, by using the dimension, by using the distortion, anything. And there are many other textures you can use, noise texture, etc. Enter into the menu, and you can create anything you want, any texture you like. So this is it for today videos. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.